Hey everybody, I'm here today to give you a basic driving lesson on the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. In this video, I'll be going over some driving basics with regards to the two pedals that you will find on an automatic car. Now, it should be noted that if you're driving a manual car, there will be a third pedal over here to the left that is called the clutch pedal. This video will be geared towards an automatic car because there are only two pedals, the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. Now let's get right to it. This pedal over here to the right is called the accelerator pedal or the gas pedal. It's basically the pedal that you will use to make the car move. This pedal over here to the left is called the brake pedal. It's basically the pedal that you will use to make the car stop moving. So this one is the gas pedal or the accelerator pedal, and it's used to make the car move forward or backwards. This pedal is the brake pedal. It's used to make the car stop moving, to slow it down and bring the car to a stop. Now, when you're starting to drive the car, you're going to put your foot down on the brake pedal and you're going to put the car in reverse or drive, depending on if you want to go backwards or forwards. Now, if you put the car in reverse, you're going to move backwards. If you put the car in drive, you're going to move forwards. Now, once you have the car in gear, whether it's reverse or drive, you're going to release the brake pedal. And when you release the brake pedal, the car will automatically move forwards or backwards at a relatively slow speed. Now, that's because the drivetrain of an automatic car allows the car to move before you even press the gas pedal. So the moment that you release the brake pedal, the car will begin to move. And I'll show you all of this in just a few moments. Now, when you press the gas pedal, what you're going to do is you're going to cause the car to move a bit faster. The more that you press the gas pedal, the faster or the faster pace that the car will move. So if I were to just press the gas pedal a little bit, just like this, the car would start moving slowly. If I were to press the gas pedal a lot more like that, the car would move much faster. It's actually very, very simple. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to demonstrate what would happen if I was going to start moving the car, okay? So let's say I had my foot down on the brake, I put the car in drive, I released the brake, the car started moving, and then I pressed the gas pedal down slightly, the car would move forward. So what's going to happen is this: I will actually just press my foot down on the brake, put the car in drive, and I'm just going to press the gas pedal down ever so slightly, and I'll show you the car moving. So I'm pressing the gas pedal down just a bit, and if you take a look, the car is moving very, very slowly. You can see that the car is moving slowly. Now, when I want to brake, check this out. I'm going to put my foot down on the brake and press it down, hold it there until the car slows down, and when I want to bring it to a stop, I just give it a little extra pressure. And the car has now been brought to a stop. Just like that. Literally, it's literally that simple. If I wanted to go in reverse, because right now the car's in drive, if I wanted to go in reverse, I would simply put the car in reverse right now. You can see that my CR-V actually has a reverse camera over there. And in reverse, I would not recommend pressing the gas pedal. I would recommend just releasing the brake pedal, because if I release it all the way, you can see that the car is actually moving backwards rather quickly, as you can see right there. And when you want to stop reversing, you press the brake pedal a little bit more, and when I want to bring it to a stop, I press it down just a little bit more. As you can see, my car has been brought to a stop, and it's literally that simple. That is the basics of a brake pedal and a gas pedal, okay? Now, if I put the car in park, just like that, you can see that I can release the brake right now because the car is in park, and the car is not moving anywhere. Because when the car is in the parked gear, then what happens is it's sort of in park. It's not going to move anywhere. So the basics of a brake pedal and an accelerator pedal is that the accelerator pedal or the gas pedal causes the car to move forwards or backwards. The brake pedal causes the car to stop moving. You don't want to have any rapid motions on either of these. You want it to be nice and smooth. When you're braking, you want to estimate your braking distance and just press the brake pedal nice and smoothly. If you slam the brake pedal, you will stop the car faster, but it will be a very, very rapid motion. It's not going to be smooth. So you want to just press the brake pedal nice and smoothly, okay? And you also don't want to press it like this. You want to press it. I mean, you need to brake as hard as you need to brake. The most important thing is to bring the car to a stop without getting into an accident, okay? Bring the car to a stop safely. So with that being said, your priority is press the brake as hard as you need to bring the car to a stop. But ideally, you just want to press the brake down, slow the car down, and then when you want to bring it to a full stop, just give it a little extra pressure. With regards to the gas pedal, you know, you want to just press the gas pedal just enough to get the acceleration that you need. You don't want to floor it or anything like that, because you're going to accelerate really quickly, and that's not ideal. You want to simply press it as much as you need to press it to bring the car to a good acceleration level. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the basics of the accelerator pedal or the gas pedal and the brake pedal. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. It is geared towards beginner drivers, people that are just learning how to drive, and it's geared towards showing them the basics of getting the car moving forwards or backwards and bringing the car to a stop and slowing it down. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.